Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. A very warm welcome to all the distinguished guests and invitees who are present today. Please put your hands together for our very own chairman, Mr. Khurana.
So first of all, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to inform you that 2018 was a super fantastic year for us in terms of sales. We broke all previous records, and the first quarter of 2019 was even better.
I request all of you to please give a huge round of applause to Mr. Manish Arora.
टाइप ऑफ क्वांटिटीज इन इंडिया बहुत सी रेंज है जो रिहाउ इंडिया में अब बेच रही है.
जो बोले सोनिहार.
Have a wonderful evening ahead. Good night and take care. Thank you.